How to request a refund on Skillshare. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can request a refund on Skillshare. So to request a refund on Skillshare, the first step is to navigate through to the Skillshare website and then ensure you're signed in into your account. So once you're signed in into your account, you would see the different classes available. You see awesome classes, right? Then the next step is for you to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons such as the beta section, my classes, notification icon, and then you would see the Skillshare logo. Just click on it. Once you click on it, a drop down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see options like my classes, account settings, language. Just scroll down and click on help. All right, help, and then you would wait for the help page to load. So once this help page has loaded, you would be able to now submit your request and then request for a refund. So once you're on this page, you can see Skillshare Help Center, right? Then you can now scroll down where you can see the different options that you can ask seek help for. Okay, so you can see getting started, billing and payments, managing your account, mobile app. All right, so and then you can also see contact us. So you have several options here. The first option is by making use of the frequently asked questions, or you could just scroll down and then contact the customer support directly, or you can just send an email. So for this particular option, the best thing is to click on contact us since you are trying to request for a refund. So by clicking on contact us, you will be brought to the next page. So on this page, you can see other options here. How can I get in touch with Skillshare? Click on that and then you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, you can now see a write-up showing you how you can request for a refund or whatever you want to do. So we can see here which says that to contact our support team, you can reach us at help@skillshare.com or submit a ticket. So in this case, just click on submit a ticket and then you'll be taken to the next page. So now go ahead and submit your request. In this case, it is a refund, right? So click on that and click on the arrow here. Click on the arrow that you can see in the box displayed. Then scroll down until you can see an option related to yours. If you cannot see one directly here, just go ahead and click on submit an appeal. Then go ahead and give a summary, give a subject, attach files, give the reason for your refund, then click on submit and you're good to go. And then once your request has been reviewed, wait for up 2 to 3 days, a response will be sent to you via your email. So this is how you can request for a refund from Skillshare. Thank you for watching and ensure you practice what you've learned today. Have a good day.